School Zone, we're all the way in St. Mary at the Iona High School for their career day, looking at the whole issue of entrepreneurship and the 21st century. Plus,
hello and welcome to In the Zone News. I am Mediska Gibbon.
Start it. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most I in me sleep when me sleep.
My name is Charles Ferguson and I would like to start a photography company.
My goal is to reach my goal.
My name is Leon Dawkins. I like to run a music company.
Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold.
My name is Ali and I would like to start my own restaurant.
Oh, look at me now, oh, look at me.
My name is Tivon Lovelace and I would like to start a music business.
Go round me, go round, no one used to come round me.
big dreams from budding entrepreneurs. Just a few of those looking towards a self-sufficient future. Building on the lessons being learned at the Iona High School, they got a major push at the institution's Career Day exercise organized by the school's past students.
You're never too young to start a business, and we want to get that in the students' mind from now. So that is why we are here on campus, to get the students enthused about creating their own business and not just be rigid towards, let's say, becoming a teacher, becoming a lawyer. A career doesn't stop there.
My dream is to become a successful entrepreneur.
My dream, like Martin Luther King, is to become a commercial pilot by profession. But as life progresses, I would like to become an entrepreneur. I would like to start my own small business, like a car mart,
Entrepreneurs and other professionals shared with the students the ins and outs of running their own businesses.
An entrepreneur is someone who has an idea, conceptualizes the idea, and brings the idea to fruition. An entrepreneur is somebody who takes risks. That person sees an opportunity for making some funds or see an opportunity for growing their passion into profits, and they take a chance, they take a risk.
One of the good things about the people who want to do music business, that the internet makes it so easy now. A lot of people now are posting stuff up on YouTube. That's where they start, Facebook, and they're just making their videos going viral.
Tertiary institutions were also on hand to share some of the programs students could pursue.
Not only are jobs going behind the desk anymore, but jobs are for skills-based programs, right? So students have the opportunity there.
We do have a program in entrepreneurship in the humanities. You need to have mathematics for that. There is a program in entertainment and cultural enterprise management. And again, mathematics is good for you because you're going to be doing some business-related courses. But if you're interested in the creative industries, then that's an area maybe for music and drama and for managing of these industries. That is a good program that you can do.
And the day would not be complete without some light fun and entertainment.
In the future, I want to make my own money. Money in my pocket, make it roll like a bucket.
Up next, In the Zone with Raziska.
In this life, you can lead if you only believe. And in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up.
Hello and welcome to In the Zone News. I am Mediska Gibbon. Recently, Mario Kelvin won first place in an international children environmental poster competition. Mario is from the Chelswood Primary School in St. James. He is soft-spoken, but his joy is loud and clear.
I feel happy.
Congrats, Mario. Keep being creative and environmentally aware. And a final word from our friends over at Iona High.
Be an entrepreneur, be the boss.
My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream.